In today's program, I want to share how to treat asthma. It's what I would like to share with you people today. If you have asthma cough, or you know someone that has it, this is what we do. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. If you are watching this program for the first time, please, I want you to share this program. Let others benefit from this program. That is what I want. If you have asthma cough, this app will work perfectly. Believe me, if you do this app, the results will shock you. How to do it? We call one leaf away emile. Go and look for asthma leaf. Asthma leaf. We call it away emile. If you know where it is, go and look for it. Fresh one. Enough of asthma leaf. Go and look for it. Rinse it very well. Then pack it inside pot. Use ordinary water to cook this herb. Cook it like 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Cook it very well. If you want to use it, please don't just watch this program and leave. I want you to share this program. Let others benefit from this program. Tell someone to tell someone. It will save someone's life. That is what I want. Please share this program. Drop your comments, like, and subscribe. If you want to use it, take 4 spoons in the morning, 3 times in a day. 4 spoons in the morning, 4 spoons afternoon, 4 spoons at night. You will drink this herb for 3 months. If you have asthma cough, or you know someone that has it around you, try this. It's small, but it's mighty. Cook it very well. You will be warming this herb every day. Drink it 3 times daily. 4 spoons in the morning, 4 spoons afternoon, 4 spoons at night. If you are interested in our products, we have all kinds of herbs such as koba. This koba powder, effective for manpower, reproductive organs, increase energy of the body. We have injection herb, quick ejaculation herb, no green jedi herbal flusher, hypolatrin, hypertension, and so on and so forth. Wherever you are, you receive your package. If you want to call me, you can call me on this number 08039 33 6675 or 080 53 13 31 42. More share, more like. Thanks for watching. My name is Dr. Abiz Abolade, the son of Aramide. Bye for now.